Good morning, everyone. It's Marla. It's time for another tea box unboxing. I am going to be doing some specialty boxes from Sips By. These are boxes that are a little different than their normal subscription box. If you go to the Sips By website, you'll see an area that says tea boxes on it. If you click on that, it will take you to a page and show you all the specialty tea boxes that Sips By offers. As I said before, Sips By is a tea subscription service. They deliver teas monthly to your door for $15 per month, but they do offer specialty tea boxes like chai tea boxes, a sleep box. And the tea box I am going to showcase today is their Energizing Teas tea box. So this Energizing tea box promises to give you a little extra pep in your step without all the jitters. This tea box can be purchased just as a one-time box for $15, or you could get a 3-month, a 6-month, or a 12-month Sips By box gift card. Now, the teas that are included in this box and that are specific to this box are obviously caffeinated teas to give you a little bit of energy, and the teas that are included are the Republic of Tea, HiCaf Palm Berry Black Tea, Zest Tea Blue Lady Black Tea, Miracle Tree Green Tea Lemon Ginger Moringa Energy Tea, and Davidson's Organic Teas Energize Tea. The box comes with enough teas to make about 15 cups of tea. So let's go to the box. I'll do the unboxing and I will take one of the teas and test it out. Every time you get a tea box from Sips By, there'll be a card in there. It'll tell you what box you received. For example, if you're receiving the monthly subscription, you'll get, your April box, your May box, your June box. Or if you are ordering one of their specialty tea boxes, it'll say what the tea box is. So this is the Energize tea box. It's supposed to improve your focus and also your mental clarity while keeping you calm and grounded and able to face the day. I think we all need this right now. And then if you flip the card over, it gives you all the information on the teas that are in the box. You can see that I have the Blue Lady Black Tea. I have some HiCaf Palm Berry Black Tea. I have Energize Tea and also Green Tea Lemon Ginger Moringa Energy Tea. It also shows you how to steep the tea, tells you the caffeine level, and sometimes also gives you promo codes for discounts in case you like the tea and you want to order it yourself. The HiCaf Palm Berry Black Tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. For the Blue Lady Black Tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. The Energize Tea by Davidson's Organic Teas, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And the Green Tea Lemon Ginger Moringa Energy Tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. So I think I'm going to pick, this is tough. They all have a lot of caffeine in them. I think I'm going to go with a very high caffeine tea today. I'm going to go with the HiCaf Palm Berry Black Tea by the Republic of Tea. So let me boil some water and I will get started making this tea. The boxes are always unique and different. I love these specialty boxes. They are so interesting. They cover so many different areas like your immune system or trying to get you to get a better night's sleep, supporting women's brands. So happy to introduce you to all these specialty boxes. We will be doing another one tomorrow, so tune in for that. I will leave all the information for this particular box, this specialty box, down in my description box. I'll also leave a promo code down there in case you're interested in receiving their monthly tea box in the mail. That's $15 per month with no US shipping. These special tea boxes and the subscription box from Sips by are really great for people like me who like a lot of variety when it comes to teas, and I like to test out lots of different teas, so this lets me be able to do that without buying the entire box. Take care, guys. Be safe. Drink your tea. Bye-bye from Marla.